Okay, something happened before our move-in, so I'll tell y'all that later. I'm gonna show y'all my apartment now, my new apartment. So come on in. Okay, so this is the entrance, and it's so cute because they have like this little nook right here to like put your shoes or just your keys right here, and I like the lights. Go over here. This is the kitchen. Like, look how cute this kitchen is. And I have an island. Like, dude, I'm so happy that we have this island. I can just imagine having like cooking. Just kidding. I can just imagine like putting some cute display and stuff here. And then like the lighting is also really cute too. How did I turn that on? Anyways, I like the light fixture. This kitchen has so much storage space. Like, I don't think I need all this space, but we got some nice organization up in here. And then we have new appliances. And this is my first time actually having gas stove. So, dude, we're gonna be struggling to keep this clean, but I think it's okay. Yeah. And then we have a microwave. More storage. I like that there's like opening shelves right there, so you can like decorate it, make it look cute. And then we have the sink. It's not deep. I wish it was more deep, but like at least it's wide, so that's cool. And dispenser, dishwasher. This island also has storage space. This is actually really cute now that I'm like looking at it. This is, oh wait, this is the living room. It's smaller than I imagined. Okay, it's still okay size, like it's livable, but this is a cute, cozy, it's gonna be cozy, okay? It's gonna be a cozy little living room setup. And I like the view. Our view is of the pool, actually. Okay, never mind. Ours is like a weirdly shaped unit. And then we can go on here. So this is our patio. And this is a pretty decent sized patio. Oh, this is so cute. And then we have, that's a weird shaped storage. So I'm happy to like have this, like I can just leave the door open and have like Maylee walk around or run around out here if she wants to. Like she finally has her own place. Okay, and then over here, I'm not gonna step on the floor because actually, I'll take my shoes off. You take off your shoes. So this is the bedroom. They put new carpet in, so that's why we couldn't move in until the 16th. Actually, this is actually kind of bigger than the one I have. Like it's bigger as in terms of like width, but like as far as like length, I think it's smaller. But this is what I'm most excited. I'm just kidding. This is another thing that I'm most excited about is the closet. Like, look how big this closet is compared to my last apartment. That's a good amount of storage. But I feel like this is just a waste of like space. There's like nothing right here. It's just like a corner. But yeah. And then over here, I like that there's a door. I like that there's a door right here to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. And it's so big. Like look how big this is. So nice, clean, and this is the first time I've ever seen this, but we actually have a his and hers sink. We got two sinks. We got two sinks for one bedroom. So I'm excited about that. And definitely more storage space for everything. Like spots for like towels and stuff. Our medicine cabinet. This is actually more than enough space. And then there's another door to like lead you out into the living room, kitchen area. And right here is our washer and dryer, which I'm so excited to have. because my other apartment had the washer and dryer combo. So it's just one, and like that thing sucked. So I'm excited to like finally have two separate ones again. And then this one is just a little closet, I guess, for things. I like that this also has like a thermostat. I don't know how to use this, but fresh air. Huh? Fresh air. They really label fresh air? Okay. Anyways, yeah, and then there's like, we have a fan for the living room too. So this is, actually, is there lighting in the bedroom? What? Well, hold on, there's lighting in the bedroom! Dude, I don't even need my lamp anymore, I'm good. Oh my god, look! Oh wait, that's for the fan. Interesting.
What's this?
That's the power thing. So yeah, so that is my apartment tour. I hope y'all liked it, because I'm so excited. Even though whatever happened this morning happened, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'm excited to like make more like content because I have my own space and also really good lighting like everywhere. Okay, bye y'all. Okay.